What's up, guys? I'm Dan Berrigan. I'm here with my buddy Theodore von Karman, Ted, and we're here to get your ideas on what the future of the Air Force should look like in 2030.
My name is Eric Forsyth.
I'm David Murphy.
I'm Dan Olson.
Norma Alcantar, professor in chemical and biomedical engineering at the University of South Florida.
University of South Florida, mechanical engineering.
I'm here at the University of South Florida. I am a retired Air Force officer.
I'm an assistant professor here at the University of South Florida.
I go to school at University of South Florida.
Yeah, so I'm really interested in flight at really small scale. So millimeter scale insect flight and how they're actually able to fly when they're so small. So I want to take really high-speed measurements of the flow around tiny insects as they're flying.
How fish or marine animals structure themselves in schools or swarms based off their shape. And it's important because if we can figure out how and why they do these fish schools and swarms, we can make them into drones.
The cactus has the skin of the cactus protects the plant. By learning how to make these coatings, we think that we can come up with new ways to protect metals.
The idea is we need tools and methods to verify and validate integration of these systems in order to enable trustable autonomy for the future.
We have wonderful educated engineers, scientists, and program managers in the Air Force, and what we need to do is empower those engineers and scientists and program managers and let them do their magic. I'm sure we'll get computer vision and many other things delivered to the warfighter. So that's my big idea.
Oh. All right, well, that was an awesome workshop here at the University of South Florida. Ted and I heard some great ideas. I mean, so many, he's speechless. All right, fine, I'll stop making that joke. Anyway, if you have thoughts on the ideas you heard, leave a comment down below. If you've got ideas of your own, go over to AFResearchLab.com and submit them, because we'd love to hear from you. Till next time, we're headed out for our next stop to hear more of your awesome ideas. The air conditioning is fine. It's fine. Look, if you keep complaining, you're gonna go in the trunk, buddy. It's gonna be a long drive.